Alright, for this lesson, we are actually going to see how you could derive the equation of a parabola given the turning point and another point. Alright, just a quick recap. Y equals to A into x plus or minus h all square plus or minus k is the turning point form of a parabola. You know x plus or minus h gives you the horizontal translation, k gives you the vertical translation, and given the information of h and k, we know the coordinate of the turning point. A here is the dilation factor, or it's telling you whether the parabola is concave up or concave down. Alright, so let's see how we could determine the equation of a parabola given the two turning points, given the turning point and another point. Alright, so here let's start off with this example. The turning point in this case is minus 3 minus 16, and the other point is 1 0. So you're asked to give the equation in both the turning point form and the general form. So you know with the turning point form, y equals to a x plus 3 square, because plus 3 means you've got to shift the parabola to the left. So therefore is minus 3 indicated on the turning point and minus 16. Here we know that when x equals to 1, y equals to 0. Therefore 0 equals to a, 1 plus 3 square minus 16. 0 equals to 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 square is 16a minus 16. 16a equals to 16, therefore a equals to 1. So therefore, in the turning point form, y equals to x plus 3 square minus 16. So in the general form, we need to expand that. Y equals to x plus 3 square minus 16 equals to x plus 6x plus 9 minus 16. Therefore, x square plus 6x minus 7. That is the general form. Alright, let's try another question. This time, you're asked to determine the equation of parabola. The turning point is 1, 3, and the parabola passes through the point 3, 11. So, in terms of the turning point form, y is a, x minus 1 plus 3 square. Actually, I must remember the square. So we know when x equals to 3, y equals to 11. Therefore, substituting 11 equals to a, x is 3 minus 1 square plus 3. So 11 equals to a, 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 square is 4 plus 3. 4a equals to 11 minus 3 is 8, a therefore equals to 2. So in the turning point form is y equals to 2, x minus 1 square plus 3. So in the general form, we need to expand that equals to 2, x minus 1 square plus 3 equals to 2, x minus 2x plus 1 equals to 3, x square, 2x square minus 4x plus, x is plus 4 plus 3. Therefore, this becomes 2x square minus 4x plus 7. Alright, next one, I want you to pause the video for a while and then see if you can work this out. Alright, here, this question, you are not asked whether to give the equation in general form or turning point form. As far as I'm concerned, if you give the equation in turning point form, I'll be happy to accept it, because that's not specified what form you should give it in. So in the turning point form is y equals to a, x plus 4 square plus 6. So when x equals to 1, y equals to 81. Alright, therefore, substituting in 81 equals to a, 1 plus 4 square plus 6. That is 81 equals to 20. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 squared is 25a plus 6. So 25a equals to 81 minus 6, which is 75. A therefore equals to 3. So therefore y equals to 3 x plus 4 square plus 6. Alright, that's all you need to know. A short lesson. So you should know how to derive the equation of a parabola given a turning point and another point.